It's just a lazy kind of Sunday today.
Just a lazy Sunday.
Just a lazy.
And we brought the bed into the living room. What?
Why? Nope, that's not recorded and you just made everything shake.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today we are making a buffalo ring. Is that what that's even called? I don't even know what it's called.
What is that? I don't even know what that is. It's
sure.
like a, maybe let's call it like a crescent stuffed buffalo chicken. I don't even know what it is. What is it? One more time. A buffalo chicken crescent roll? Ring?
I said buffalo ring.
Buffalo? What's a buffalo ring?
Today, we are drinking a Sin Cité. What is that? Look in the description below for the recipe. If it's not there, we'll add it later. Alright, let's make this buffalo ring. You are gonna need 2.5 cups of cooked chicken diced up into fine little pieces. Look at these little pieces here. You're gonna need some buffalo wing sauce, some cream cheese, some Monterey Jack cheese, blue cheese, and these godforsaken crescent rolls. You're opening them.
What if I don't want to?
Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We got our oven going. Let's start making the filling. All right, I'm gonna need a big bowl. Okay. Spatula. Boom. Thank you. We're gonna do 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now this brick came in 8 ounces. So what are we gonna do? 8 ounces times 0.5 is half.
Thank you.
We're gonna take that, we're gonna put that right in that bowl. Next, we're gonna need a 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce in. Watch. I don't know. Here, you wanna hand that handle. Yep, there we go. We're just gonna mix that until smooth. Mixer. Now that we have our creamy cream cheese and buffalo sauce mixture, we are going to add our 2.5 cups of cooked and chopped up chicken and our cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Boop. And we're just gonna stir that up until combined. And that is looking nice and combined. We're gonna sit here and we're just gonna
Okay, now that we have our filling done, so let's start making the ring part. Why would you do that? You don't clean that.
All right, let's get off this motherfucker.
Don't say that.
All right, let's not get off this motherfucker. All right, here's the thing. I'm not. What? Here. Open it. I'll open it, but.
My hands are ripped.
All right, some liquid courage.
You can do this.
Thank you. I need that.
Wait, really? It's that scary?
It's.
Well, good thing.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay, that was not bad. What is wrong with you?
What we need to do
Yeah.
is we need.
Okay, really? Okay, you and your dirty socks were literally on that counter. I would really like you to clean that counter. Okay, instead of wiping it, you take out. You are ridiculous.
All right. Unroll these. And let's get the triangles out.
Oh.
We're gonna start laying out these triangles into a circular pattern on this pan. This pan's too small. That's fine. We're just gonna adapt to it. Start laying this out into a circular pattern.
That's actually not looking too bad.
It's not horrible. It's not my favorite circle in the
Looks
world.
like a sun.
But that's what we're going for. We're going for a sun here.
Sun-like pattern.
Just kind of go halfway, and that seems to be working out. That one's a little effed, huh?
Oh, yeah.
For the kids at home. Like, what's effed? All right. That's not horrible. It looks like a squashed kind of like spider almost, right? Now, we're just gonna spoon our mixture right on to the star.
Thought it was the sun.
Sun, well, the sun is a star. Now, we're just gonna finish this off with some blue cheese. Done. Anyway, take that and roll it in. Boom, just like that.
Oh, I need a close
Take
up.
it. Okay. Roll it in. See, I kind of want to spread that one out a little bit.
Oh, okay. To cover it, yeah.
And then in. And now we are ready for the oven. All right, we got a ring. We're gonna put this in the oven. Now, take out your drink. If you've been preheating that, okay, we're gonna put our ring right in there, okay? Wow, that is hot. All right, we're gonna let that bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until it gets golden brown. Check back later. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take it out of the oven.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Get a close-up.
Looks awesome.
Let's put that. Look at that. It's our buffalo ring. And we're just gonna put some blue cheese and celery right in the middle to finish that off. Don't ever eat this.
I think some people do like celery.
No, they don't. You don't trust those people, okay? And that's our buffalo ring. Buffalo ring. Buffalo ring. Oh, I didn't see you there. Buffalo chicken ring. Oh my God. That's so good. There's some of that sauce. Oh damn. Oh. This is good. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel, post a comment, share it with your friends.
Let us know what you think. We just set up an Instagram account, so check it out.
Whoa.
Follow us.
Whoa.
Like our.
Wow.
Okay.
Whoa. So we just set up an Instagram account and
Check us out on Instagram. Follow us. Like us.
call us.